Hello everyone, welcome to Resinut or welcome back to Resinut. Today we're going to just do these quick little fun ornaments. They look like they're really detailed. It's a nice high glossy mold, really flexible. I'm excited to give this a try. I want to use my magic pens, powder pens again. I'm also, because I don't have any green, really green, I'm going to go ahead and use my Anaconda green. It's a Super Chameleon powder, and I get it from Glitter and Crafts for You, okay? I am going to go ahead and start painting on... Uh-oh, I just dumped it because it stuck to my glove. Don't want to waste this at all. See how pretty that is? Oh, dear. All right, well, let's start with taking it off my glove and painting it on these leaves. Don't want to waste any of this at all. So pretty. They have my favorite chameleon powders there at Glitter and Crafts for You. I pretty much buy all of it there. I do also like the Let's Resin powders, the Mica powders. I have just really fallen in love with these from that company. You see that so far? How pretty is that? Really beautiful green. Really, really beautiful. This is a Super Chameleon powder. So yeah, that's all of that. Well, let's see if I can scoop some of this, some more of that in there. That just makes me so sad. Now, really want to use my kind of this gold pen here with my powders. And now, thanks to you guys, I do know that I do not need to turn it upside down and bang it on the table. I know that the powder's in the lid, but thank you guys all for that because I had no idea. It's so pretty. I just really, really love these pens. Look at how pretty this is so far. Super, super pretty. Here's what we have so far. Really beautiful. Really, really just so beautiful. I do need to come in here with a little bit of alcohol and clean up my thing I did here. There, cleans up really quick and easy. I got my mica powder where I thought it was a leaf, but it was actually part of the ribbon. So I'm just going to clean that up real quick. And right here. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now let's see. Got a bit of a candle here. Okay, so we might do one of the ribbon in Dragon's Eye. I don't think I can get my brush, my sponge brushes into most of this. So I'm going to use a little bit of my powder here, my loose powder. Okay, look at this so far. How pretty is that? Do I want any different color in this, or do I want to just have a black rim on my bell? I'm not sure, so I'm going to wait on that. Okay, so that was Dragon's Eye here. Now I think we'll do a Blue Paradise on this one over here. Just the ribbon. Clean off my brush real quick. Oh, I got some static going everywhere. So really watch that when it starts doing that. All right. So pretty. So pretty. Okay, so that was the Pixie Paradise. And now we've got a couple of left. Now this one, Copper Rose. This is Blue Ecstasy. A little bit brighter. The other one has kind of more of a purple hue. Does this one have berries on it? Just ribbon. Just ribbon. This off. There it is so far. Gosh, look at that. Ah, so pretty. It's pretty even without any kind of background on it. Okay, now, so now we've got this one over here that has a, how's my resin doing? Oh, it's doing okay. This one has got a candle up here. And I'm not really sure. I don't think I have any kind of a bright yellow. Maybe this would work for our flame. This is a mica powder from Temu. And see if I have a color on that for you, if anybody's interested. It is it's a chameleon powder. It says it just goes purplish, red, blue to green. Okay, that's the color of this one. If anybody's interested. Might have to get a smaller paintbrush to get in there. That's what we want for that. I would kind of like for our candle to be red. So I'm going to see if I can get this mica powder, this pen, to fit into my candle here. So pretty. Now, I think what I want to do is I want to go a shade lighter than this red. This shade. I'm going to go, wait, no, TJ03, TJ03. Those are the same, but this one sure looks lighter. Let me see. It's red. Yay, I really love the red. Okay, so let's go a little bit more of a pink. So let's do this pink for our melting wax. And I'm going to have to use a paintbrush. See if I can get it off of here to get inside of there. Here it is so far. Look at the vibrant colors. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, so now, let's see. We've gone through everything except for this copper rose. I'm going to do a copper rose. Could do the copper rose, I guess, for this ribbon here. It's really similar to the dragon's eye over here, except this one has kind of more of a glitter metallic base to it. Or I guess they're both metallic, but you know, it just has more of a glitter added. Hopefully this won't clash with my red candle. Okay, here it is. And now we will have a little bit of black. These little spots here where the clanger is for the bells will be black and the rims will be black. But I'm hoping that that just kind of adds to giving it kind of that pop of color. But isn't this pretty? Okay, so now close this up. I need to add some black to my resin. I hope I got enough resin. These little ornaments are not very deep, but I've only got 2 ounces of jade. Okay, well, I lost you guys again, and I'm so sorry about that. I get so carried away that I forget to check my battery on my camera. I forget to check my storage. I just get on a roll. All I did was I made up some black, and I used just some black Sigwang mica powder, and I put a couple drops of my India ink, my Handy Art India ink in black. And I just mixed it up and I filled these molds with that. I'm going to do a quick spray of alcohol over them. I've got a bit of the mica powder rising up through the black, and that's okay. It doesn't bother me. Should be fine underneath. I'm going to let this cure, and then we'll be back to unmold them. I'm excited about these. All right, I will see you when these are all cured, and we will take them out of here. I'll see you then. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. And these are completely cured. Let's get them out of here and see how they did. Super excited to check these out. We used a combination of the cushion pins and also of like the chameleon powders and things. So let's turn it over and see how it looks. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. So incredibly pretty. I wasn't sure if I was going to like the black here coming through the rim and this here, but in a bit here, but I'll tell you, it's just beautiful. Gives it just enough of that little bit of an antique look, and oh my gosh, that one turned out really pretty. I'll be very happy if we get even half of that result in the rest of these. I expect the bells to all be really similar. Let's look at this one. Okay, gosh, pretty too. That is really pretty. This color, I was worried a little bit that these would be just too bright and vibrant, but oh my goodness, that is really pretty. This is the only one I think that did not have the leaves on it. Let's do this one. I think this is kind of the largest one, maybe. Turn it over. Oh, that's really pretty too. It's a little subtle, but the leaves with that chameleon powder and the cushion pin on the gold. Gosh, what a combination. That is pretty. I'm glad that we came in and fixed the ribbon in some of these areas where we accidentally thought they were part of the green. But you can see a difference here in the colors. They're not too similar. Really pretty. Gosh, really pretty. Sorry, I know I keep saying that, but you think they're really pretty? Gosh, okay. So this is the one here with the candle. So we'll turn this over and see how that turned out. And that turned out just fine. That turned out just amazing. So doing the red and then doing just a little bit of the lighter pink, and this is with the cushion pin. I see I went over a bit here with looks like maybe some of the gold or green. I don't remember doing that, but it's okay. It doesn't really show up unless you're at the right angle. So I don't even know, you can't even really see it, can you? But anyway, putting in the pink here and with the red, it definitely does look like just a bit of the wax melted, and our flame worked out pretty well. Depends on the angle. Sometimes it looks kind of pink, but then other times you see the gold coming through, and yeah, this turned out really pretty. I am amazed. The bells are all the same. So I feel like it just kind of really tied this set in all together. And they come with ornament hangers here. And I think the only one that I had a little bit of a problem with was this one. It went all the way through. I could drill that one to match. I've got this pack here that I showed you before. I think I showed this to you. This came in the pack of 24. These are just the round ornament molds, okay? But they came with these cords here. And I've never quite seen anything like this. I don't know if I can find these to order them alone or not. But these are made to go through, and then they just, you don't have to tie a knot or anything. Okay, see these little clips? They're just made to push in here together, and you just push it in there till it clicks, and then it's stable. So look how quick and easy that was to get this little gold hanger on there. And how pretty, gosh, you know, that'd be really pretty as a gift, as a set of 4, or, you know, maybe, I don't know, they're just so pretty. I'm excited to hang these on my tree, and I think I'm going to go ahead and use these on them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this project. This was really fun to do, really simple, didn't take very long, but I feel like the results were just amazing. Just amazing. And you know, I've got a bit of cleanup to do here in my mold. I've got a bit of the black and a little bit of mica powder to clean up, but it would be pretty easy to do. This is a really wonderful mold, really. It's really kind of intricate. The detail is intricate. Just love it. Just love it. So yeah. Anyway, here they are. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you so much for joining me on this, and I hope you had fun. I know I did. So I appreciate you all joining me, and I hope this inspired you, and I will see you all next time.